guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you'll be learning what arithmetic operators are in C programming. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I publish new videos. Arithmetic operators in C programming language is one of the basic tools which you have to use, and these are one of the basic mathematical equations and operators that are used in C programming language and any other programming language as well. So what are arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators, they are simply mathematical operations that we are all familiar with, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo, and others. These are the basic arithmetic operators. But why do we need operators in C? Operators is one of the most useful tools you are going to need as a programmer to perform some actions in your program. If you want to perform an addition in your program, you want to perform multiplication, division, and several others, there is no way you are not going to use any of these arithmetic operators. Now let's quickly talk about operands. Operands are objects being worked on by an operation in a program. We have the left operand and we have the right operand. So take for instance, if we are to add two integer a and integer b, so integer a is the left operand while integer b is the right operand, but the plus symbol is the operator that has both integer a and integer b together. So it takes both the left and the right operand and work on it. That is the way operators work. Now let's quickly talk about some types of operators in C programming language. We have like 7 different types of operators in C programming language. The first one is addition operator, which is plus, just exactly in mathematics. We have the subtraction operator, which is minus. We have the multiplication operator, which is times, but this is the way we write times in C programming language. We have the division operator, which is /. This is also how we write division in C programming language. We have the modulus, which returns the remainder, and we have the increment operator, and we have the decrement operator. So these are the 7 basic arithmetic operators in C programming language. Now let's talk about addition operator. The addition operator adds operands together using the plus symbol. Take for instance, this is an example. 10 plus 10 will give us 20. So 10 is our left operand, while this 10 is our right operand, and this plus symbol is our operator which perform action on both the left and the right operand to give us 20. So this is an example of how to write an addition operator in C programming language. Now let's talk about the subtraction operator. The subtraction operator subtracts operands We subtract both the left and the right operands. So you subtract the right operand from the left operand. So for instance, 10 minus 10 will give us 0. So this 10 is the left operand and this 10 is the right operand. So the function of this minus operator, the subtraction operator, is to remove this right operand from the left operand, which equals to 0. Now, the multiplication operator. The function of multiplication operator is to multiply operand. It multiplies operand. If we are to multiply 10 by 10, 10 times 10. So 10 is our left operand, while this 10 is our right operand, and our multiplication operator multiplies both the left and the right operand to give us 100. We have a division operator. A division operator divides operands together. It divides operands. So if we are to divide 10 by 10, our left operand is 10, while our right operand is 10. So if we are to divide it, it is going to give us 1. So that is division operator. Now let's talk about the modulo operator. Modulo operator in C programming language returns the remainder of operands. It returns the remainder. So let's take an example here. If we are to divide 10 modulo 3, 10 modulo 3, our left operand is 10, while our right operand is 3. So 10 divided by 3 will give us 3, remainder 1. So 10 modulo 3 will give us 1, but 10 divided by 3 will give us 3. So modulo will always return the remainder, and if it doesn't find any remainder, it is going to return 0. Now, the last operators we are going to talk about here is the increment and decrement operator in C. We have the increment, which is plus plus, and we have the decrement, which is minus minus. So take for instance, if we have an integer a and we set it to 10 and we increment it a plus plus, it is going to equals a will equals 11. So we add, that means we are adding 1 to our integer. But if we have a minus minus, that means we are subtracting 1 from our integer, which is going to give us 9. So these are the basic operators in C programming language. In our next video, we are going to take a look at some examples and how to write this program in C programming language. So if this video has been helpful to you, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I publish new video.